In this video, I'll guide you through how to redeem a code on Steam. If you've purchased a Steam game key online or received one as a gift, you can easily redeem it through Steam to add the game or software to your account. Once it's redeemed successfully, the product will be permanently linked to your Steam library and will be available to install whenever you want. To get started, open the Steam application and sign into your account. Once you're on the main Steam window, look toward the bottom left corner and click the Add a Game button. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Activate a product on Steam to begin the redemption process. Steam will open the product activation wizard. Click Next if prompted, then take a moment to read the Steam subscriber agreement. You'll need to accept the agreement before you can continue. Once you've read it and agree to the terms, click Agree to move on to the next step. You'll now see a field where you can enter your Steam product code. Carefully type or paste your code into the box, making sure it's entered exactly as provided. Double-check for any typing mistakes before continuing, especially if you're entering the code manually. Once you've entered the code, click Continue or Confirm to let Steam verify it. If the code is valid, Steam will redeem it and automatically add the associated game or software to your account. After the activation is complete, the product will appear in your Steam library, where you can install it whenever you're ready. Simply open your library, select the newly added game, and begin the installation process. And that's all there is to it. Your Steam code has now been redeemed successfully, and the product is ready to access from your Steam library whenever you want.